guys, Sar here and welcome back to another video, and I hope you guys are all well. Today's video I'm going to share to you guys about what are my essentials of being an art student, and these are the materials that I use and pretty much student artists have. So the first item would be a mechanical pencil. You can use a regular pencil if you don't know how to use a mechanical pencil, and actually it's pretty simple. It's like a pen, but it's pencil. You have to refill it from time to time if you notice the lead inside of the mechanical pencil is gone. Take note, if you're using this type of mechanical pencil, which is 0.5, means the lead inside of the pen is thin. You have to be gentle and avoid the pen from falling because the lead inside might get shattered. You can go with a 0.7 or 0.8 lead mechanical pencil. Next item would be watercolors. If you guys haven't watched my other video about watercolors, go check them out after this video. There I review great watercolors are. In my course, we are required to bring coloring materials with us because there are times we're going to use them surprisingly, and we use them for our free time practice if we have vacant time in our school. My go-to sets are the SM watercolors and the Prang watercolors. I recommend this SM watercolors because it's beginner friendly, and even though it's cheap, the pigment of the paints are vibrant and varicolored. And this Prang watercolor I have is, if you want to get fancy, you can buy a Prang watercolor, and it's a little bit pricey because of you can refill them, and that's why I guess it's expensive. Next item would be paintbrushes. This set I got them from cheap at Lazada. These paintbrushes are called detailed brushes, of course for detailing and highlighting, but if you guys wanted something that are basic brushes, we have here some round and flat brushes. You can use them from backgrounds and flat painting. The last item is watercolor papers. Here's a little tip for you guys if you're starting and wanted to know all about this stuff. I always recommend watercolor paper because they can handle any types of paint, oil paints, acrylic, even gouache and ink. The paper literally can handle any liquid soluble, and it's affordable. So all of these items are actually my art essentials, my materials, and I can't live without them. And if you're probably asking if why my bag is so heavy and big, it's because all of my materials are in my bag. Being an art student, it's not that hard, and if you have that talent, if you have that passion, you can really do it. So I hope you guys love this. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and see you guys on my next one. Yeah, of course, don't forget to follow me on my social media. It's listed down in the description box, and if you guys wanted to send me something, go ahead and DM me, message me on my messenger and my Instagram. Boy.